Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you a great test. Butcher paper ribs versus rib roaster ribs. So stay tuned. Time to grill! Last weekend we had a great opportunity at home. We had a great family celebration, so I decided to make spare ribs. And due to the fact that there were a lot of people that wanted spare ribs, I tried to test it two different versions of cooking them, so we can really see which one works better. The first one is cooking it in a rib roaster, which is more or less the same than a Dutch oven. And the second one is wrapping them in butcher paper. So we're gonna see how these turn out. These are pork ribs basically. We're gonna use the same rub for all of them. So we put it on 6 pieces of pork ribs. So there's no difference between the rub and the taste. So these are completely prepared the same way. The only difference is how we cook it in the second phase of our cooking time. So that's what we do. First of all, you saw me get rid of the silver skin, and then we're gonna show you here. These are the 6 layers of ribs now, prepared and rubbed. We're gonna throw them on the Broil King keg smoker, smoking with olive seeds today. And yeah, there are a lot of discussion going on in Germany about what is the right time of cooking ribs. For me, I don't like them too much falling off the bone. For me, falling off the bone is for older people that don't have any teeth. I like there a little bit bite in the meat. So here we go. So I have a nice rack tray for putting the ribs on the grill. This is really easy. This is from Broil King. I will put a link in the video description. You can check it out if you want. So I'm going to throw this one, as I mentioned, on the smoker. 110 degrees Celsius, approximately 220 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to smoke these for approximately 1.5 to 2 hours. For me, for taking off smoke flavor, this is far enough. And I just want you to keep in mind that you smoke with your eye and not just blind with a time. So just check how they look like. For me, if they are golden brown like this, the smoking part is perfect. So we're gonna take this one out of the grill right now, and then I'm gonna show you the 2 different ways of preparing them. The first one is the rib roaster. As I mentioned, this is a Broil King rib roaster. This is a tool you can get from Broil King. It's cast iron, and there is a small grate in, so the ribs don't lying complete on the bottom of the rib roaster. And this gives you the opportunity of adding liquids. So you can do your whiskey ribs now, or your tequila ribs, or your vodka ribs, or your apple juice ribs, or whatever. I just decided to add some Coke here. And that's the more or less the only difference we have in cooking it on a second phase here. The other one will walk directly into my butcher paper. So here we have only have to close the lid, and then we're gonna throw this on the grill, back on the grill with 30 or 40 degrees more. So we're gonna throw this on the Broil King keg in the middle, which fits perfect. And here's the pink butcher paper. That's the second phase for the other 3 ribs. So there's no much liquid in there, so they are only lying in the butcher paper. The difference to aluminium foil is that they are breathing. So the butcher paper allows the ribs to breathe. And then we check out how the difference is compared to cooking them with liquid, or which is more or less the same than wrapping it into aluminium foil. I mean, the rib roaster is almost the same than wrapping it into aluminium foil. Then we're gonna throw this on the grill, same temp. Just make sure everything works there. Now put them on like so, close the lid, and we're ready for the second phase. You can now have a beer or 2. This one works 1.5 hours again, or till 2 hours or something like that. And then we're gonna take them out, and then we're gonna see how they look like. And we're headed for the third phase. The third phase is putting them on the gas grill, or on the grill here as well, and add a little bit of a sauce make sure the sauce can caramelize for another 30 to 45 minutes, and then we're ready to see if there's a big difference between these two cooking ways. So this is how the rib roaster look like, and this is the butcher paper package. And from my first impression, there's not a big difference in the way they look like. So the others seem a little bit more juicy, but we will see. So the right one is the rib roaster one, the left one is the butcher paper one. So then we're gonna add some barbecue sauce here. I used Stockyard KC Pitmaster barbecue sauce, but you can use your favorite barbecue sauce. Any sauce you like is perfect for that one. And then we're gonna let the sauce caramelize. The gas grill now shows temperature of again 120 degrees Celsius, just indirect heat here and here. And then we're gonna throw the sauce on and let it caramelize a little bit so it gets a nice color. So we're ready for the important moment. Just one question to you. Please put in the comments, what is your favorite way of preparing pork ribs? Do you use 3-2-1 method? Do you use aluminium foil? What are your hacks on the perfect ribs? Spraying it with apple juice every quarter. What are your hacks for ribs? Just write it in the comments. I would really appreciate that. So we're now looking for the right one is still the rib roaster, the left one is still the butcher paper, and now we cut into and see if there's a big difference. Okay, I will tell you, the difference is not very big. The rib roaster ribs seem a little bit more tender than the butcher paper ribs, but for me it's almost not really possible to see a big difference. So it's not a big difference. Just make sure you cook them long enough. For me, this one is perfect. I don't like them falling off the bone, as I mentioned. For me, it's perfect. If you bite into, you get a piece out. And I will show you what I mean. Now the next bite is the perfect one I can show you. But this is the second. This is the second rib part. So here we go. That's the way I'm looking for my ribs. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like button and comment if you have any interesting hacks for me. Make sure to subscribe to Oil 15 Barbecue. We are seeing us again in a couple of days. Have a great weekend. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.